does. Got a second wind in life.
Yeah.
I know, it's a little confusing. So what I'll probably do is I'm gonna grab the paper and I'll bring it back out here. A little bit more room for them to rough and tumble out here. And we can go over the paperwork. And then, you know, if there's anything you want me to try to help you with getting up the stairs for the first time or anything like that. Good job, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, my goodness.
You can do it. You can do it. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Come on.
Come on.
There you go. Good job.
I'm so proud of you. Yes, I said a good job. Come on. Let's go just a little bit further. Just a little bit further. Come on.
Oh, go, go, go.
Yes, that's a good job. That's a good job. Okay, come on. Come on.
Come on.
Go.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. No, no, no.
Yes, he has to get a running start. Go, go, go.
Let's see if you can come up to
Huh?
that. Yes, you're doing really well. My goodness, it's a strange thing, isn't it? Let me get a couple of treats.
That's a good boy.
Good job.
Good boy.
You can do it.
He's like, oh,
It's, oh my goodness. What a lot of work.
that's a big boy.
Gotta get a
That's
running
big
start.
boy.
Go,
That's
go.
a big
You can
boy.
do it.
Come on. Come on.
You're doing good.
Come on. I'm right here.
For you.
I'm right here.
Go.
I'm right here.
Look
Go.
at that. Look at that.
You can do it. You can do it. Go. Go. Yay! Oh my goodness.